Hi, my name Swaroop. Gives you health tip. Please subscribe my channel. Today's topic: Kehuni Naman. Elbow bending. Procedure: remain in the base position or a cross-legged pose. Stretch the arms in front of the body at shoulder level. The hands should be open with the palms facing up. Bend the arms at the elbows and touch the fingers to the shoulders. Keep the upper arm parallel to the floor. Straighten the arms again. This is 1 round. Repeat 10 times. Stage 2. Extend the arms sideways at shoulder level, hands open and palms facing the ceiling. Bend the arms at the elbows and touch the fingers to the shoulders. Keep the upper arms parallel to the floor. Again straighten the arms sideways. Repeat 10 times. Breathing: inhale while straightening the arms. Exhale while bending the arms. Awareness on the movement of the elbow joint and arm muscles, and the breath. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned my channel for more.